Advanced wind vane. Here are the materials you will need. The learning objective for this project is for us to understand the wind direction, wind speed, and the formation of wind. With that being said, let's start. Locate the arrow and the blue paper cutout. Pull the blue cutout and insert it into the end of the arrow. Fold and insert all round cutouts into the cross base. Locate the foam stopper, foam board, and paper straw. Remove the protective sticker on the stopper and insert it into the straw. Leave 1 centimeter of space to insert it into the base. Insert the straw into the base. Make sure the stopper sticks to the bottom and everything is secure. This will be the foundation of the base. Insert a second stopper to the bottom of the base. Insert a third stopper and a bead into the straw. Leave it halfway. This will act as the holder for the wind vane. Remove the little paper in the center. Slide it down the straw. Insert a bead, then a stopper. Locate 2 more stoppers and 2 beads. Remove the protective sticker before inserting it into the straw. Insert it halfway, then insert a bead. Remove the small paper and insert the arrow into the straw. Locate the bead and insert it into the straw. Finish it off by putting the last stopper through the straw. Stick the double-sided tape onto the back of the compass and attach it to the foam board. Make sure the north is at the top, and you are done. You can use this wind vane to identify the direction of the wind and the speed of the wind.